everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Here I am about to share the topic of the day. Today, in our series of Childhood Memories Part 1, we will dig into our childhood once again and reminiscence our childhood memories through this painting. So stay with us till the end as we are going to look back on our sweet memories. So dear friends, this painting is inspired by the childhood memories when we used to have lots of fun, but not alone in a room, but with all our friends. In this painting we can see there are few friends surrounding a boy who has got a birthday present, a bike, or we should say a bicycle. He is very excited to ride on it, and so his friends to watch him riding. It seems that they have got the whole galaxy in their pocket. It must have happened to all of us in our childhood as well. May not be a bike or bicycle, maybe in any other gift we desired for, which we received after so many requests or so after achieving that good girl or good boy kind of a work. And when we had got that fondest gift, it's like we are the king or the queen of the world. Those were the days of carefree, with only broken crayons to worry about. Childhood is something we all wish to get back to. Whenever we talk about childhood, all our memories seem to flash right in front of our eyes with cinematic clarity. Change is a superbly captivating word, but changing is not. Somehow, somewhere, a melancholy lies. So, wherever we think of the changing days of our lives from childhood to young adulthood, we feel somehow sad. Wordsworth, in his famous poem, Ode on Intimation of Immortality, has said a human child brings with him the trailing clouds of glory from heaven. I don't know if that is true, but I know that childhood days were very sweet and a magical period of life. I guess it was a time when we used to be easily satisfied and elated. The warm love of parents, how they wanted to save us from all the dark sides of life. Trips to homeland or vacations, fight with siblings, or maybe scary nights with nightmares. All these were a part of this sweet childhood. Change is inevitable. The caterpillar turns into a butterfly. But so life is a dynamic and racing towards bigger and newer avenues. Though we feel sad as we have lost our childhood, but we feel happy also sometimes when we think that they have laid to foundation stone of our future hopes and inspiration. Besides, happy childhood memories are essential to a child's developing brain. A recent study by the American Psychological Association found that people who have fond memories of childhood specifically their relationship with their parents, tend to have better health, less depression, and fewer chronic illness as older adults. So, in this turbulent time, the little sweet memories of the old days awaken the desire to move on in life. Don't you think so?
Did you like today's drawing session? Childhood Memories Part 1, The Birthday Bike? Let us know in the comment section about your thoughts, feedback or any suggestion. We will keep discovering new art forms of new places and unknown facts. So if you like our drawing sessions and you want to know about different art forms and stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. We wish you a fantastic week ahead. Bye bye, take care.